Agoy, gino ko. Agoy.
Very hot. Patayo ulit mo ay.
So ito mga lalabs ang hot spring. Ayan, hot spring siya. Yan daw ay mini-measure na tinatry daw nilang i-measure how deep is that. Pero never daw ma-trace talaga kung how deep kasi malalim daw talaga yung part ng gitna na yun dun.
When there's no more hope is left in me, I can see what comes my way, and I'm always lost. There's nowhere else to go.
Ganyan ging, oh, look at the huge Rocky Mountain. Like that. Yan. Kanina ko pa yan kinakaptured ang Rocky Mountain, hindi ko maalam.
Dapat sa labas ka.
Labas ka pa naman yan.
Hindi, dito sa gilid.
Park on the stairs so she can. Where can we park?
Really? This one, that's the point.
Ah, okay. This is the spring. Okay.
Ito na pala ang spring.
Oh.
Where's the spring?
This one. Now, see the album.
Ah, here, oh. There, oh. The spring.
Parang isang bakod.
Parang inaayos din.
Oh yeah, be careful when you go down, okay?
Ay mga lalabs, so nandito na naman kami sa spring. Another stop here in Losdat, the spring. Ito po yung spring nila na pinaganda din nila guys. Dinevelop nila. Kasi maraming spring pala dito. It's quite noisy lang guys ha, kasi may parang nagdi-drill. So it's quite noisy. So here is yan. Lalo mo dahil siya ging. Wait guys, look. Oh, see? Malalim pala siya, oy. Doon, oh. Lalim. Meron pa nagbabangag dito. Nagdidig. So, ito mga lalabs ang hot spring. Ayan, hot spring siya. Yan daw ay mini-measure na tinatry daw nilang i-measure how deep is that. Pero never daw ma-trace talaga kung how deep kasi malalim daw talaga yung part ng gitna na yun dun. Oh. Hindi daw mainit daw yan kasi lang ngayon nakasara. Hindi nila pinapapasukan muna kasi under renovation pa. So unique. So behind me guys, is the hot spring here in Rostaq. See the spring guys, it's so deep they said. They tried to measure it, how deep is that part, but they couldn't measure it. The center one, it looks so deep. But right now it's closed. They didn't open it for public swim for to bath there. You wanna picture? For men only. They believe that this spring has a healing part guys. Kaya marami ditong pupunta at nagbabat. So if you want for men here, this is for men. For woman daw sa Pikas daw. Asa naman sila? Nanulod sila? Pwede kang mag-bath dito guys, parang shower. Still, the water comes from the spring. You want?
Mainit na mainit, pero sigurado luto.
It's hot. It's hot, yeah?
Boiling water. Be careful.
Okay, but there's a car. There's a car.
You want to swim?
Let's go to the woman there. I want to see.
And then you try if you can.
hot and we're going hot spring.
No, I want to touch the water only. Look at the view of the mountain. Here's the mountain.
Hot because maybe there is a volcano at the bottom.
See, oh, there's a water.
Oh, this one.
Hot? Uy, yung bata kasi tumbling yung bata. Hot?
Just take supper. Take supper.
It's hot guys ha. This is hot. Really hot. Inshallah. Aywa. Oh my God. Hot. It's hot talaga siya. Parang ano, the summer water in Muscat.
Summer or winter?
Same, yeah? Same. So ito pa rin guys, karugtong ito ng ano ng spring, yung hot spring. Ladies here? Okay, let's go there. Going there, here. Shoot. Asa man an? Uy. Pwede kang magsuk. Maayo ni sa akong tiilan. Kaya ako. Pero man kaayo. Agoy, ginawa ko. Agoy.
Very hot.
Hot.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yes, it's good. It seems medicine.
worry.
You know, it seems medicine.
After your feet will cook, I will eat it. Siguro kung may alipunga ka dyan, patayo alipunga eh.
Make one try.
No.
Ako magtatry.
Ikaw, dati nakasandal ka eh. Come.
Yes, try.
Kaya nga nagsandalas ako eh.
Bibi, mag-sunglass ka, Bibi. May sunglass sa gilid ng backpack ni Daddy. May sunglass dyan, sa gilid, sa bulsa. Mag-sunglass ka.
Wala!
Mag-sunglass ka ba? Para hindi ka masakit sa mata. Lagay. Oh, remove the ano. Therapeutic. It's ano, therapeutic ano.
Wala, I need coffee.
Gagawin kong landscape game. Ay, portrait.
Coffee. You need coffee then.
Give it to you, Bibi. Guys, it's too hot here.
My God. Be. What's the feeling? The plastic bag is really hot. I'm burning out.
Make it fast already.
Oh my god. The material girl is just here. Yeah. Dying so hard here.
Asa ba siya? Bye kuya, nasa labas kami, nag-adventure, nasa bukid kami. Nasa bukid. Birthday ni daddy mo ngayon, oy.
Alam niya, kanina po bumati yan.
Nagbati na ba? O sige na, bye-bye na. Bye-bye kay kuya. Sige, i-off mo na. Kasi
Paano yung yan?
i-read mo lang, i-read. Si daddy mo di marunong.
Dates yan, oh.
Hindi may mga bahay doon. May ari siguro ng dates farm niya.
Dami ng dates na yan, oh.
Yung iba na matataas yan, yung mga sinaunang pang dates na. This one guys is a broken bridge, so they make a route here. Sira dahil sa baha.
Malakas yung baha.
Oo, yung last time yung maraming look at the bridge, look at the bridge.
Tumagilid.
Nabiyak, it's broken.
A lot cars damaged there.
Yeah.
Maybe 3 or 4 person died.
Oh.
Naalala mo yung maraming mga bahay din natabunan. Kasi mababa lang pala yung wadian. Ayan oh. Yan, mababa lang yung river.
Pero parang hindi pa kinu-construct.
Wala pa. Ay mga lalabs, stop over kami sa restaurant kasi nag-order kami for lunch. Tapos, take out lang namin. Doon na kami sa Nakal kakain. Doon sa isang spring na pupuntahan namin. So, nagbaon kami ng banig, parang picnic. Doon na lang kami mag-lunch. Nakatulog yung dalawa sa ano. Mainit kasi guys, mainit pa. Yan dalawa, napagod. So there guys, bukid siya kasi na against the sunlight, hindi niyo makikita. Pagkahapon na makita niyo na yan. But now no. Kasi ano siya. Ha? What do you want? So inaantay lang namin yung yung order namin na biryani. There's drinks sa doon. Ano? Ay, samok ba niyo yung daddy mo? You want some drinks? Meron daw sa car. Do you want to buy here? The cold one? Okay, you can buy. 1 minute, please, ha? Itong bata mo. So, nandito kami, guys, sa may Almaha. Actually, nasa na kami, malapit na kami sa Nakal. So, there's, the mountain range on the opposite of the road over there. Going there. So, ito yung restaurant na namin. Order kami ng biryani. The two are Italian. Look at here. Bebe. Gang. Look. One minute. Dito banda makita si Titaan. Okay, ready? 1, 2.